Hi, can you tell me a little bit about Uvio?
Hi, yes, Uvio, I love it. It's a great product. It's a great skin. It's a drink for skin protectant. It tastes great. I use it 2 to 3 times a week as I'm out surfing or out on the beach, walking or riding bikes, and it's just a wonderful product.
Do you use sunscreen with Uvio?
Yeah, I add on a little sunscreen for help to protect from the damaging UV rays that damage our skin cells.
Okay, where can we find Uvio if we would like to hook up with some?
Uvio, actually, my daughter is a representative for the product itself. Her name is Addison Hunter, and she works here in Laguna Beach, where they develop the Uvio product. And they're always out on the beaches there promoting Uvio for the public awareness.
Okay, so we should definitely look into Uvio.
Yes.
All right, Uvio, Addison Hunter, Laguna Beach.